Oliver Muregerera, Michael Koli Sibidi, Duanda Joanna Dube, Ronika Tinwaro Matanhire, Margaret Heavens Sidole, Christopher Samson Muza, Michael Chuma, Agnes Nyakiviana Nyambe, Zephania Noel Muungani, Nosizi Ruben Dube, Peter Katango Marwa, Gerard Senkomo, Francis Kamuhanda, Gabriel Halelimana, Zablon Namwete, John Baka Ongomo, John Spezioza Ayotswisiga, Margaret Buhiza, Masi Busiro Marwa, na Esther Boke. And now, Head of Public Service, Mr. Joseph Kenywa, will guide us on the investiture.
Your Excellency, sir, I wish to present to Your Excellency the following Kenyans. Oh, sorry. Yeah, now you can hear me. Your Excellency, I wish to present to Your Excellency the following Kenyans who have rendered outstanding and distinguished service to the nation for conferment of honors and awards by Your Excellency. First is General Robert Kariuki Kefoshi.
General Robert Kariuki Kebochi is the Chief of the Defense Forces. He was enlisted into Kenya Defense Forces in May 1979 and commissioned in 1980. Throughout his service of over 41 years, General Kebochi has demonstrated remarkable consistency in leadership and command, reflecting the positive values of integrity, courage, diligence to duty, selfless sacrifice, and professionalism. He is awarded the Elder of the Order of the Golden Heart, EGH, for his selfless service and devotion to the nation. Congratulations, General.
The second is Dr. Kefa Mugere Obasho.
Dr. Ombacho is the Director of Public Health and Head of the Directorate of Special Programs in the Ministry of Health. He is the Secretary to the National COVID-19 Emergency Response Committee and Joint Secretary to the Interfaith Council for COVID-19. He has served as a member of several task forces, amongst the Multi-Agency Committee on Elimination of Counterfeits, Nairobi Regeneration Committee, National Technical Committee on Drug Trafficking and Abuse, amongst others. He is awarded the Elder of the Order of the Burning Spear, EBS, for his outstanding contribution in the fight against COVID-19. Congratulations, Daktari.
The next, sir, is Dr. Obajo Lois Achieng.
Dr. Ombajo Lois is a member of the COVID-19 task force. She has provided exemplary case management in the country through development of guidelines, training of health co-workers through a weekly webinar. She is also a member of the COVID-19 task force, advising on schools reopening and protocols. She is the principal investigator in various research areas, currently leading research on clinical characterization of COVID in Kenya. She is awarded the Moran of the Order of the Burning Spear, MBS, for her dedicated public service and sacrifice in the fight against COVID-19. Congratulations, Daktari.
The next is ACP Catherine Deleva.
Catherine Dereba is currently Assistant Commissioner of Prisons. She has participated in many marathon races around the world and performed exceptionally well. In 2004, she won the gold championship in the 42-kilometer marathon held in Paris, France, and also in the year 2007, the same race held in Osaka, Japan. She is awarded Moran of the Order of the Burning Spear, MBS, for outstanding performance in sports and lifting the name of Kenya high in the global arena. She also receives a book that documents record-breaking performances by Kenyan athletes across the globe. That is the book, Your Excellency, that she also receives. Congratulations, Catherine Dereba.
The next one, sir, is Alice Jerry Mwaura.
Mwaura Alice Jerry is a senior nursing officer in charge of the isolation wards at Kenyatta Teaching and Referral Hospital, where critically ill COVID-19 patients are admitted. During COVID-19 pandemic, she has worked beyond her scheduled time to ensure COVID-19 patients receive the best care. She has also doubled up as a counselor to the COVID-19 patients' relatives. She is awarded the Order of the Grand Warrior of Kenya, OGW of Kenya, for her selfless and dedicated service despite considerable risk of contracting the disease herself. Congratulations, Alice.
The next one, sir, is Abdul Mamo Umuro.
Abudo Umoro is a team leader within the medical laboratory practice. He has helped establish excellent service delivery centers and programs focusing on primary and specialized laboratory services. He is the head of the National Influenza Center that responds timely and accurately to COVID-19 sample testing. He is awarded the Order of the Grand Warrior of Kenya for outstanding contribution to the health sector. Congratulations, Mr. Abudo.
The next one, sir, is Timothy Cheriot.
Chief Inspector Timothy Cheriot won a gold medal in the 1500 race during the 2019 World Athletics Championships in Doha, Qatar. Previously, Cheriot has taken second position in the same race in Durban, South Africa, London Marathon, and Gold Coast, Australia. He is awarded the Order of the Grand Warrior of Kenya, OGW, for exemplary service to the nation through sports. He also receives, and congratulations, he also receives a book that documents a record of winning performances by Kenyan athletes across the globe. Congratulations, Chief Inspector Timothy Cheriot. Congratulations.
The next one, sir, is Isa Mohammed Mahamoud.
Senior Superintendent of Police Issa Mohammed has led security operations on terrorism in Wajir and Garissa, resulting in arrest and convictions. He has also been instrumental in investigations of counterfeit goods, drug trafficking, amongst other criminal networks, and also brought to stop criminal gangs. He is awarded the Order of the Grand Warrior of Kenya for his diligent and dedicated service in the fight against criminal activities. Congratulations, SSP Issa Mohammed.
The next one, sir, is Second Lieutenant Abdullah Boru Godana.
Second Lieutenant Abdullah Boru Godana was enlisted in the Kenya Defense Forces in October 2014. On the night of 6th May 2020, while serving at the African Union mission in Somalia, AMISOM, the Al-Shabaab military attacked and overwhelmed Somalia security forces at the camp in Biriskonani town, Somalia. He responded by tactically leading his platoon to reinforce the Somalia security forces. He conducted a counterattack within a civilian-dominated area, which saw 3 Al-Shabaab military fatally wounded, 3 AK-47 rifles, and a rocket-propelled grenade warhead recovered. His leadership saw the rescue of the Somalia security forces base without harming civilians or destroying private property. He is awarded the Silver Star of Kenya medal. Congratulations, Second Lieutenant Abdullah.
The next one, sir, is Private Paul Mauki Gaisho.
Private Paul Mauki Gaishu was enlisted into Kenya Defense Forces in November 2013. Your Excellency, on 11th of March 2016, Senior Private Gaishu, together with 22 other soldiers, were headed back to the Yawak station from leave on board a boat from Mada Island to Kiunda. Upon reaching Mulango, which is just 1 kilometer from the deep sea, the boat capsized around 5 p.m. He was the only swimmer amongst the 23 soldiers. He took control of the situation and swam into action. He gave verbal orders and directions and physically aided his fellow soldiers to hang on to the boat until they reached the shore at around 3:30 p.m. the next day, after 23 hours, Your Excellency. Senior Private Gaishu risked his life for his fellow soldiers. His conspicuous act of gallantry composed a self-sacrifice ultimately saved the life of 20 soldiers who would have lost at sea. He is awarded the Silver Star of Kenya Medal. Congratulations, Private Paul Mauki Gaishu.
The next and the last is Julius Karanja Irongo.
Administration Police Constable Julius Karanja Irongo is currently working in Wajir County. He is specialized in counter-terrorism and currently serving as a special operator in volatile areas along the Kenya-Somali border. On 27th of December 2019, Your Excellency, in the company of other officers, they ran into an ambush where they were hit by an improvised explosive device while on patrol in Kolof Haral area. He repelled the Al-Shabaab and managed to call for reinforcement in time. Unfortunately, in the ensuing battle, he lost his sight permanently. He is awarded the Silver Star Medal for bravery in service. Congratulations, APC Julius Karanja Irongo. Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you, Your Excellency, for affording us the time to honor these gallant sons and daughters of Kenya. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I wish to invite Your Excellency, sir, back to the main dais for the ceremony of beating of the retreat.
Tunawapongeza wote ambao wameweza kutuzwa siku ya leo. Mheshimiwa Rais, hivi sasa imefika zamu ya tamasha ama sherehe za machweo ya jua almaarufu the official beating of the retreat by the mass bands. Tamasha hizi Mheshimiwa Rais zinahusisha bendi zote kwa pamoja. Bendi ya jeshi la nchi kavu, wanahewa, wana maji na hali kadhalika polisi ama huduma ya taifa polisi. Asante sana. Bendi tafadhali. Luteni Kanali Martin Makadi anamboka kuchukua nafasi yake kwenye bendi hii. Mheshimiwa Rais, sote tunaomba kusimama tafadhali kwa ajili ya wimbo wa Injili, wimbo wa kushusha bendera zetu na wimbo wetu wa taifa na hatimaye wimbo wa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. basi mwelekezi mkuu Bwana Tofsawan Lucas Sokoth hivi sasa anakuja kuweza kuomba idhini ya kuondoa bendi hizi uwanjani.
Your Excellency, may I have your permission? March of the mass band, stop it.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais, mabibi na mabwana, tunaweza kuketi tafadhali. Hivi sasa mkurugenzi mkuu wa muziki ili aweze kupatia mwelekezi mkuu nafasi ya kuondoa bendi hizi uwanjani. Baada ya bendi hizi kuondoka uwanjani, tutaweza kusomewa ratiba ya jinsi ambavyo msafara utaweza kuondoka hapa uwanjani na mwenzangu Bwana Mike Getone. Senior Drum Major Bwana Tofsawan Lucas Sokoth akisaidiana na Sergeant George Kamau, Sergeant Mwai Gatama na Sergeant Simon Mwanganda na hali kadhalika Joel Mukaba HSC Senior Sergeant. Basi kwa niaba ya kurugenzi wote wa muziki kwa pamoja wakiongozwa na Luteni Kanali Martin Makadia akisaidiana na Commissioner Police Bwana Wambura, na mpisha hivi sasa Mike Getone atueleze jinsi namna tutakavyotoka. Kwako Mike.
Asante sana. Nitaomba viongozi wote ambao tuko kwenye jukwaa rasmi, tutampisha Mheshimiwa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta na mama taifa waweze kuondoka. Mheshimiwa Rais atatangulia, Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta pamoja na mama taifa. Kisha atafuata Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais Daktari William Ruto na Bi Rachel Ruto. Niombe viongozi wale wengine wote tutachukulia magari yetu kule nyuma.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni wocio urakenda gukiumagara na ni akirikia gugitiriha mambura maya ma muthenya wa umuthi bururi ugikungwira miaka 57 kuma wegwateire wiyathi. Na hau kabere ni tukuonete mutongoria wa bururi akitugana na ngerenwa kuri andu matiganite a bururi uyu ni undu wa wira mwega makirutite ona ningi wirutiri munene guku bururi-ini. Na hau ni akorwo ruriri rwa Ashona ni maiyukio na kuheo uraia guku bururi-ini. Gikuririkanie magiukire mwaka wa 1930 riria magithamire guku bururi-ini na ni magikenerera gukorwo magitanio na bururi uyu. Koguo ni twina raia eru kuma mabururi ma Zambia na Rwanda aria ni makiria ma 2970. Mutongoria wa bururi ni aririe maundu matiganite na tutingikihinga maitho tukiuge ndanakorwo akigweta mohoro megimainie na ripoti ya BBI na ni akorwo akimihurira ndebe na kwendekithia gugikwo mogaruruku kana gucenjio gwa gatiba niguo bururi ukorwo ugithie na mbere. Na tugakiona ati o thutha wa miaka 5 ni gututhukaga ngui na haro na andu magagite mioyo yao na ni undu wagirirwo gukorwo ukirumirirwo na kinyi. Mutongoria wa bururi ni arethagathaga gukorwo akiehera thiini wa kiharo giki kia Nyayo kuria akorwo akirekereria ndumiriri yake ya bururi udumwe na atongoria matiganite kihiria ria megugikinyitie kuo nio magugikorwo muhari-ini wa mbere gukorwo makiamba kumagara nigetha raia ayangi kana gikundi giki kingi kiria gikinyitie thiini wa igongona riri nao makorwo makiumagara. Gikuririkanie ni marumirire mitaratara yothe ya COVID-19 na otamutugo kiharo giki gitina ihura uria kiagirirwo gukihura kiagirirwo gukorwo na makiria ma andu 30,000. Haya, tugukorwo tukinyitanira na mwandiki witu uria wi mwena uyu Nungari wa Kamau kangigikorwo na undu mweru kiyumiritie no ukorwo ugitumenyithia. Ni twakirikia kuona mutongoria wa bururi ni agitiriha mambura maya na ni gukiumagara arakiumagara. Nungari wa Kamau. Aya ni tugukorwo tukinyitanira na Nungari wa Kamau. Ucio ni munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Ruto agiumagara nake mbere ni twakiona mutongoria wa bururi akiumagara thiini wa kiharo giki. Aya, Nungari wa Kamau mwaro ni kuriwe ni ndirakihoka ni turakinyitanira nawe.
Magikirekirira muthenya wa umuthi mambura ma 57 ma jamhuri guku bururi-ini.
Nitugukorwo tukinyitanira na Nũngari wa Kamau wona twakirikia kunyitanira nake agitumenyithie hika kuri maundu mangi makorwo makiyumiria maria tutegukoretwo tukimurika na mutongoria wa bururi ni akirikia gugitiriha mambura maya ma mwaka uyu ma jamuhuri kuria akorwo akiaririria maundu matiganite ari mamwe na kuhurira ndebe riboti ya BBI kuria augite ni kigina kuma counties ni gikuongererwo kuma gicunji kia 15 nginyanagia gicunji kia 35 hari igana na ningi motungata mauthi wa na mbere ni megukorwo makirehwo hakuhi na muingi wa bururi undu mwe no tabrukia wa mahinya kuri utongoria na agithingiriria ati o mutumia ni gukorwo amurikitwo na njira nene hari utongoria wa bururi uyu kuria senator athurwo muthuri hagagikorwo hagithurwo o mutumia ni arereria maundu mege mainie na uria bururi ugiikaire ona thutha wa gukigumirwo ni king'uki gia COVID-19 ni akiugite thirikari yake iri shemba gugitigirira ni wang'ethanira na murimu uyu o ndumwe na gukimurika ndeto ege mainie na rigitania guku bururi-ini na ni akirikia kuga ati kumariria bururi wa kigumirwo ni king'uki giki ni marikitie gukinyaniria maundu matiganite na kuma mariri manana ma ICU thirikari no ni yongereire mariri 827 na mariri ma keheri ni mari 7,411 na gukinyaniria umuthi uyu kwina mariri 20,210 na ni agithingiriria kuga motungata mogima wa mwiri ni megugithina mbere na gukigashirithio ukiona ukoretwo ari murigo munene makiria na muno makiria aria marahitana na murimu wa cancer ni akiuga gutiri mundu uri koragwo ugithie kwamukira kana gwetha motungata nja wa bururi tondu guku bururi ni kuri koragwo na motungata macio na marihi mabashirire aturorete thukuru gukorwo ikihingurwo tarikinya mweri turorete wa Januari na arutwo makiria ma milioni 14 ni matanyitwo gukorwo magicokereria na president ni akorwo agiuga kana gugithingata na kuruta watho kuri ruhonge rwa ugiteri makorwo makiruta riboti ya ciana ciothe kana gugitigirira ciana ciothe na arutwo othe ni macokereria thukuru na uria wothe utegukorwo agicokereria riboti no ikorwo ikineanwo kuri ministry ya githomo guku bururi-ini na ninge ni akiuga ati ministry ya githomo undumwe na ministry ya utungata wa kana ugima wa mwiri ni nyitanire nigetha gukiambika mitaratara mirungireru gukirumirira bururi kugumirwo ni king'uki giki na gugitwika gugitigirira ati arutwo othe ni marorwo na njira igwete. President ni akorwo akiuga gugithingiriria ati itugeshi inya cia bururi no akoretwo ekiriire muno makiria na ni njiremwe ya kurehe uthii wa na mbere wa bururi na gucokereria utonga wa bururi kurumirira uria uguthitwo iguthainene thutha wa murimu uyu kana king'uki giki kumariria kiingirire bururi-ini mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu bururi ni ucokete thi makiria na koguo thirikari yake kirishemba kweheria ukia undumwe na kunyitirira mbeu njithi hari kumagashirithia thiini wa wonjoria na ningi kurehe utonga wa bururi na ningi gugitigirira gukiri na buthi wa irio. Ruhonge rwa NMS onaruo ni akorwo akirutugiria na gukiuga ati ni mareka uria wothe mangihota nigetha kugashirithia muci uyu wa Nairobi na ningi kuri na makiria ma andu 500,000 thiini wa county no uria magukorwo makigunika na motungata mogima mwega wa mwiri ona ningi gukorwo makiheana mai matari marihi na ningi andu aria makiri thiini wa biashara ni megukorwo magiteithiririo nigetha kwiyukiriria thiini wa biashara ciao nigetha bururi ukorwo ugithie na mbere. Ndikiwe muheani mwerekera wakwa kana ni akorwo akinyitanira na andiki aitu a mohoro mwaura wa gunya undumwe na Nũngari wa Kamau tutanakirikia gukorwo tugitiriha mambura maya muthenya wa umuthi. Reke tukinyitanire oro ringi na Nũngari wa Kamau gukihoka ni urakinjigua rita riri na ukorwo
sawa.
Wa hihi no ukorwo ugitutariria kana hihi hakiri o undu umwe wiyumiritie wa mwanya mwena ucio. Aya tutigukorwo tukihota kunyitanira nao, no ngagikwirithiria ati ni tugukuhaririria riboti ciena uma na uigiriki thiini wa mohoro maturaine ona thiini wa mutabruko wito wa mohoro moria gwagitinda gukihanika thiini wa mabura maya magukungwira miaka 57 kuma riria bururi uyu wegwateire wiyathi kuma kuri Nyakeru. Ni tugukorwo tugikunengereria riboti icio ciothe tukinyitanira nawe thiini wa mohoro maitu. Ndiragikwendithiria Jamhuri Day thaka thie na mbere na kwirorera ceceni ya Kameme TV. Gitiriha nie njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a, tidia thayo.
Yeni karibu